Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple sign. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is locate the volume up and volume down button and then this big side button. So what you need to do is quickly press and release volume up followed by volume down and then hold on to this side button. And you're going to keep on holding until you can get the screen to go completely black, not showing that Apple sign anymore. And then it's going to reappear again. At that time, you'll let go of that big side button. So as you can see here, it went black, which is good, and then you let go, and what that's going to do is force the phone to completely shut down and reload again. Now if you can't get it to work like the method I showed you, try again, keep on trying. It takes a couple tries to get the hang of it. Try as many times as you can. You eventually will want to get it to completely go black and then Apple logo appear and it should turn on like it should and work again. To just show you again, we're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to that side button. Again, the key here is to make the screen go completely black and the Apple logo appear while you're doing this process. Again, this is known as a forced restart. It will not delete any of your data. It's completely safe to do and it will reboot your phone back on. Again, I did it again just to show you. It's just quickly releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding on to the side button. Now, if this isn't working, there's a lot more extensive troubleshooting that we show you in another video. I'll leave a link for those in the comment or the description section, so check that out. And I hope this video is helpful, so please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.